Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private. By switching to a private account, only people you approve will be able to follow you and see your posts, stories, and reels. This is a great way to keep your content safe and share it only with the people you trust. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account Privacy. Then, tap on the switch next to Private Account. Finally, confirm by selecting Switch to Private. And your account will now be private. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Instagram account into a private one. From now on, only the followers you approve will be able to see your posts and stories. This gives you more control over your account and keeps your content secure. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.